All right, so this is, I know we're hitting you guys with a lot of information, but as I was sharing like with Brady earlier, it's going to feel like, oh my gosh, it's so much when you look at the big picture. As you're getting piece by piece, it feels like it's so much, but when you look at the big picture, it's pretty simple. And what's going to get you through more and more is just reps, is what we do in baseball, right? Just take reps, develop that muscle memory over and over and over again. And we're going to do everything we can on our end to help make your job easier as well. So that's why we try to tell you, and Hunter is going to go into this about mapping out your job the day before or maybe the morning of. It's just going to make things a whole lot easier. We've kind of been the company that's done trial and error, and we let us make the mistakes so we can tell you, hey, don't do this, do it this way. So this is definitely good knowledge to get. All right, so the next thing we're going to hit